JavaScript is quite adept at processing information and making decisions. And one of the ways this happens is with the if statement. The if statement allows you to make simple decisions, conditionally running a piece of JavaScript code based upon a true or false test. Let's now take a look at how we can write conditional statements in JavaScript. So we have our new HTML document. Let us begin here. Let ice cream equal vanilla. I like vanilla. And if this is where our if statement comes in, then we use our conditional. If our ice cream, and we will use the triple equals here to do our check. And with our semicolon, actually, we need to open up our if block. All right, so our first condition, let us simply do an alert. Yay, I love vanilla ice cream. So in this first block, we're gonna check yeah, I love vanilla. Okay, ice cream. Sorry about that. Else, let's just say I don't like any other flavor. And you can see here with the T, with the comma, we would have to do an escape here. Okay, and of course, we can just drop a sad face there. And there we go. All right, so here you can see we have created a variable for ice cream and set it to vanilla. Then we're doing a check to see if ice cream, if our variable is equal to vanilla. If it is, we're going to alert, yeah, I love vanilla ice cream. If not, we're going to alert, forgot my alert, I don't like any other flavor. All right, so let us save this. And let's check it out in our browser. So we can do a refresh. And we can actually just click on our new conditionals.html file. And of course it says, yeah, I love vanilla ice cream, which, yeah, I think I need a hyphen here. All right, so if we change this flavor to say chocolate, and save it and do a refresh, we get, of course, our second condition. I don't like any other flavor but vanilla, right? So the expression inside the if block, or this first if statement, is the test, and this uses the identity operator to compare the value ice cream with our string over here on the right side. Okay, so it compares it to see if the two are equal. If the comparison returns true, the first block of code runs. Okay, and if the comparison is not true, the second block after the else statement, which is down here, runs instead. One thing to note, we had to escape our single quote here. If we had used double quotations, then it would be okay. We wouldn't have to escape it. So we'd be able to do this. So if we save it and run it again, let's stop it and do a refresh. We see here we still get our alert. Okay, so that's the difference when you're using single quotes as opposed to double quotations. If you're using single quotes, then you have to do your escape string with your backslash. Let's take a look at another example. So in this example, I'm going to open up a paragraph tab, give it an ID of demo, and I'm gonna say good evening. Put another paragraph tab up here, and we're gonna say display it's gonna display good day if the hour is less than 1800 hours. So we're using our 24-hour clock here. Is less than 18 o'clock. All right, so let us get to our script. Let me comment this out for now. So what we can do, we can begin our if statement, and then we can use a built-in function in JavaScript for our date. So we can call on the date function. So if the date, and we're gonna do dot get hours. So get hours. If it is less than 18, as we have specified here, then we want to do document dot get element by ID, and our ID is demo. And we want to change the inner HTML and set it equal to good day. All right, so that should be it for our script. So let us save this and check it out. So let's do a refresh. And of course, we're displaying good day if the hour is less than 1800. However, if we change our hour and let's say set it to less than 5 and we save this, it should display the default value, which is good evening. So let us refresh it. And of course, we get good evening. So right away, you see here that we're able to make decisions using our if statement. Simply plugging in a date, getting the hours, and displaying a dynamic message based on the time of day. In addition to if statements, if else statements, we can also use what is known as a switch statement. So in keeping with our example, we can use our date function and we can call get day. As you can see here, there are several functions we can call, and one of them is get day. So we're going to use our get day function, and what get day does is it's a method that returns the weekday as a number between 0 and 6. So of course 0 being Sunday and Saturday being 6. So let us do a switch statement. Let us comment this out for now. And let's remove some of this space. Okay, so let us keep our ID here of demo. And for this one, let me remove this first paragraph tab. Okay, So let us start off by declaring a variable, and I'm going to call it text. Then to do a switch statement, we need our switch keyword. So we can say switch, call our new date function, dot get day, and then we open up the body of our switch statement. So let us do it by case. So today being Saturday for me, case 6, and we have our colon. So if it's case 6, that means if today is Saturday, right? Then we want the text to equal today is Saturday. And let's not forget our break statement after our case. And let us also do a case 0, which would be Sunday. I'm not sure why it keeps doing that. Let's format this. There we go. And then let us say text equals today is Sunday. And then we do our break. And as with any switch statement, we always need a default. And our default will be, not sure why it keeps doing that. Let's set our text equal to looking forward to the weekend. And then what we can do is call on document.getElement by ID and set demo.innerHTML equal to our text. So to walk this through one more time, we are using our getDate function, and we're getting the day, which will either return 0 through 6, 0 being Sunday, 6 being Saturday. So we are checking our case. If our case is equal to 6, our text will be set to today is Saturday, and it will be it will show up in our ID of demo, which is our paragraph up here. If today is Sunday, meaning the case is 0, then that will show up. And if today is neither Saturday nor Sunday, our text will be set to looking forward to the weekend. So let us save this and check it out and refresh. And of course, we get today is Saturday because today is indeed a Saturday. So you can do your conditionals using both if-else statements or a switch statement.